Two-factor authentication with Duo provides additional security for your Texas A&M NetID account. Enabling Duo protects your account by requiring you to authenticate with something you know and something you have. This means you must provide your password and acknowledge a Duo authentication request from a specific device, such as your cell phone. Without both of these types of authentication, something you know and something you have, your account cannot be accessed. To enroll in Duo, go to gateway.tamu.edu. Log in with your NetID and your NetID password. Click Set Up Duo Two-Factor Authentication from the menu on the right. Toward the bottom of the next page, select Enroll/Manage Devices. Provide your NetID and NetID password again. Click Start Setup. To set up Duo using your mobile phone, select Mobile Phone. Click Continue. Enter your mobile phone number. Verify that the number you entered is correct by selecting the check mark next to your phone number. Click Continue. You will need to verify ownership of the phone number you entered by providing a verification code. To receive a phone call with your code, click on Call Me. To receive a text message with your code, click on Text Me. Enter the 6-digit verification code and click Verify. After verifying ownership of your phone number, you will be enrolled in Duo Two-Factor Authentication. For your convenience, additional devices and phone numbers can be configured for your account.